$1,200 on the freaking day in profit. We have our account growing to almost $5,000. We've been, officially eligible for a payout. We're gonna hold on that. We're gonna try to grow our account to like about 10K. That way, when I take out the payout, I still have some cushion in between, just in case anything happens, to protect myself. And we took 3 trades, 1 loss, 1 break even, and 1 banger of a freaking trade. We have a 66% win rate. Honestly, not that bad. Could have been 100, but I'll show you guys why, right? But hey, it was insane $1,200 day. But let's get right into the trade recap for today. And as in any and every single trade recap that I've done, we're first gonna figure out our daily bias going into the day for today. Daily bias honestly changed on me, not gonna lie, as you guys can see. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can go back as far as March 25th. We had established a high right here, but then yesterday we just dumped. I remember taking the short right here, made like about $1,000 as well, and retraced to this 4-hour fair value gap that we had marked a couple days ago on Monday. And we took this trade, and price had been dancing around this 4-hour fair value gap for quite a while, right? And earlier this morning when I came in, I did see that we had been rejecting off this inverse fair value gap, right? That's what I had noticed. And my daily bias in that moment was essentially hey, we might be going bearish because we had the 1-hour order block right here. We had respected it, as you guys can see, and we just dumped to the downside. And I was like, you know what, we're gonna take shorts for today and we're gonna focus on that, right? And because of that, I decided to point out my areas of liquidity. The first one being right here at 1 p.m. yesterday. We had created it swept liquidity right here, and that was my first target. My second TP would have been right here. This would have been my second liquidity area, and so I based myself off that, and then from there I moved on to the 1-hour time frame. Tried to find an entry. To be honest with you, it was a bit hard to find an entry on the 1-hour time frame. We were pretty much still dancing on that 4-hour inverse fair value gap that we had made overnight, or actually yesterday, right? So I had to swoop down to the 15-minute time frame, and so as you guys can see, market kept on making lower lows and lower highs. Market kept on rejecting off this 15-minute inverse fair value gap and just continued to dump. So I decided to not trade against the bias and decided to join it. I took 3 trades, as you guys can see. The first one did end up in a loss. I lost like about $200 on that. And the reason why is because if we go into the 5-minute time frame, I did go in right over here, 1-hour time frame. Let's move all the way back. There we go. On the 1-hour time frame, I did end 1-minute time frame. I did enter right here, set my stop loss at this wick right here, and obviously I got wicked out. I had set my TP at the previous area of liquidity, and I got stopped out. Second trade, I noticed that market was still pushing down, so I'm like, you know what, we're gonna set that trade again, targeting this area, and market's just dumped. And when I say dumped, it just dumped. We hit that area of liquidity, decided to take one more trade targeting this area right here. I had set my stop loss at around a little bit above this area of liquidity, if not at it. And we were making like about $1,000, $1,200 on that, but it retraced and stopped me out, and I only made $125 off that. But yeah, I mean, it was a pretty simple trade, to be honest with you. I was basically figuring out where price wanted to go, what area of liquidity it wanted to target and take out, and I did that, made $1,200, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Very happy for today. Tomorrow will be another day. later on today. I think I might back test and live stream it, but who knows? Who knows how that's gonna turn out? But anyways, I'll see you guys around, and thank you.